Recipe for Bajri Vada. Preparation time 20 minutes. You require a mixing bowl and a frying pan. Ingredients: 1 cup coarse bajri flour, 1/4 cup wheat flour, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon crushed ginger, 1 teaspoon crushed green chilies, 1 teaspoon sugar, oil for frying, 1 cup curd. Method for preparation: take 1 cup coarse bajri flour and 1/4 cup wheat flour in a mixing bowl. Add 2 tablespoons oil, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon crushed ginger, 1 teaspoon crushed green chilies, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 cup curd and mix. If needed, add water and make a thick batter. Heat oil in a frying pan. Drop small balls of batter. Fry them at medium flame. Serve with beaten curd. This recipe serves 4. Recipe for Moong Dal Kachori. Preparation time 20 minutes. You require grinder, shallow pan, rolling pin and a frying pan. Ingredients: 150 grams moong dal, 2 teaspoon rock salt, 1 teaspoon dry mango powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon crushed green chilies, 1 teaspoon crushed ginger, 1 tablespoon chopped coriander, oil for frying, 1 cup wheat flour, 1 teaspoon salt. Method for preparation: soak 150 grams moong dal for 3 hours. Drain out excess water. Blend it into a coarse paste. In a deep pan, heat 2 tablespoons oil. Crackle 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and add the moong dal paste. Roast it for few minutes. Add 1 teaspoon green chili paste, 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger and mix well. Cook till mixture becomes dry. Now add 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon dry mango powder, 2 teaspoon rock salt and mix. Add 1 tablespoon chopped coriander and mix well. Separately, mix 1 cup wheat flour, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon salt and knead into a soft dough. Make small balls of the dough. Roll out small puris. Fill in the mixture of moong dal, fold the puri and seal the top. Remove the excess dough from the top and roll it between your palms. Fry in hot oil till golden brown. Serve with sweet tamarind chutney. This recipe serves 4. Recipe for bitter gourd khalwa. Preparation time 20 minutes. You require 3 plates and a frying pan. Ingredients: 250 grams bitter gourd, 3 teaspoons salt, 3 tablespoon besan, oil for frying, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoon cumin coriander powder, 2 teaspoon sugar. Method for preparation: snip both ends of 250 grams gourd and peel the skin. Cut into 1 inch long thick pieces. Rub in 1 teaspoon salt. Keep it aside for half an hour. Squeeze out the juice. Now mix 2 teaspoons salt, 3 tablespoon besan, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoon cumin coriander powder, 2 teaspoon sugar and mix well. Sprinkle some water to get even coating. Heat oil for frying in a deep pan and fry the bitter gourd in it. Fry till they turn golden brown. Serve with sweet tamarind chutney. This recipe serves 4. Recipe for banana bhajia. Preparation time 20 minutes. You require mixing bowl, 2 flat plates and a frying pan. Ingredients: 2 bananas, 3 tablespoons finely chopped coriander, 3 tablespoons grated fresh coconut, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin coriander powder, 1½ teaspoon salt, 1 cup besan, water, oil for frying. Method for preparation: take 3 tablespoons finely chopped coriander, add 3 tablespoons grated fresh coconut, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin coriander powder, ½ teaspoon salt and mix well and keep it aside. Wash the bananas, remove the hard portion from both the sides. Slit the banana from the middle and fill in the masala. Cut the filled bananas into 2 pieces. Remove the skin and press them together. Separately, mix 1 cup besan, add 1 teaspoon salt, ½ cup water and make a thick batter. Dip the banana in the besan and fry in hot oil till they turn golden brown. Serve with green chutney. This recipe makes 4 pieces. Recipe for pyaz pulao. Preparation time 20 minutes. You require vessel to soak, deep pan. Ingredients: 1 cup basmati rice, 2 to 3 large onions sliced, 4 to 6 cloves garlic, 1 inch ginger chopped, ½ teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 stick cinnamon, 6 green cardamom, 4 cloves, ½ cup ghee, 1 cup water, ½ cup milk, 1 teaspoon salt. Method for preparation: wash and soak 1 cup rice and keep it aside. Heat ½ cup ghee in a deep pan, crackle ½ teaspoon cumin seeds, add 1 stick cinnamon, 6 green cardamom, 4 cloves, 4 to 6 cloves garlic, 1 inch chopped ginger and fry. Stir till garlic turns golden. Add 2 to 3 sliced onions, fry till they turn golden. Now add 1 cup pre-soaked rice, 1 cup water, ½ cup milk and stir. Add 1 teaspoon salt and stir. Cover and cook. Let the rice absorb all the liquid. Remove from the flame and serve hot. This recipe serves 4.